Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language and caption certification to upload it to your uploaded videos, such as the video language, caption certification, title and description language of your videos. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and then you should scroll down on this left side column of the screen and tap on the settings button. After that, click on channel status and features in the your YouTube channel section. Then you should wait a few seconds till it loads in. Here you should click on upload defaults in the left side column of the settings section, then tap on advanced settings, which is the second section at the top. Here you can find this language and caption certification title, and here you can select the language of your video that you are going to upload. So that's going to be your default option. As you scroll down, you can select from a vast variety of options. Here on the right side of this box, you can select the caption certification. Here you can select from these options or either none if it does not concern your video, and then you can select the title and description language. Again, you have a bunch of options here, so just tap on the relevant one, and if you are done, click on the save button down below to save all the changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.